Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 5th of January. The euro recorded losses against most of its major counterparts as fears of Eurozone's core being downgraded resurfaced. The first warnings concerning France's AAA rating appeared in early December. However, if France endures a downgrade before Germany, the fragile balance that exists, at least on a political level, between the Eurozone's biggest economies will be disturbed. Adding to this, Greek PM Papademos stressed the urgency for the PSI agreement to be finalised and the need for further austerity measures, noting the alternative is to leave the euro. Versus the US dollar, the single currency gave back Monday's gains, opening at 130.54 and closing at 129.30. Against the Swiss franc, the euro rose to 121.85 from 121.64 as SNB President Hildebrand's wife currency trading prompted a police investigation. Investors are expected to monitor news wires throughout the day as any developments over the issue may affect the currency pair. The US dollar rebounded after a weak start for the new year as more positive economic data came out, with factory orders increasing by 1.8% in November. Looking ahead today, the important data concerning the labour market will be released and they will form the basis for tomorrow's non-farm payroll release expectations. Also, special attention will be given to the crude oil inventories release at 1600 GMT after the EU and US appear ready to enforce the ban of Iranian oil imports. The British pound dropped to 156.09 from 156.44 versus the US dollar as the construction PMI came out better than expected one day after the manufacturing PMI print was positive as well. Looking at commodities, oil prices rose to $102.80 a barrel from $102.64. Gold advanced to $1,611.63 an ounce from $1,606.15. And silver moved up to $29.62 an ounce from $28.15. Now let's have a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 134.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 134.35. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.05 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.05. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 103 with a preference to enter into short positions at 103. The sterling dollar pivot points at 156.10 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156.10, and the dollar CAD pivot points at 101.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 101.15. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 101.55 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.55. The gold pivot points at 1708 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1708, and the silver pivot points at 3165 with a preference to enter into long positions at 3165. And of course, for up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the EU industrial orders for October forecast to rise by 2.4%, US ADP national employment for December forecast at 178,000, and US crude oil inventories forecast to decrease by 1.4 million. Now onto equities. In Europe, they were negative, with the FTSE down 0.55%, the DAX was down 0.89%, and the CAC was down 1.59%. In the US, they were positive, with the SP 500 up 0.02%, and the Dow was up 0.17%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 0.83%, and the Hang Seng was down 0.90%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.